Hey, what's up? Welcome to this video. I know why you're here. I am here to help you. You know that thing that you're searching on the internet right now? How to lose weight? What must I do to shed off a pound or two? How to make my jeans bigger? How can I go back to being healthy? All these questions that people ask all the time, every day about weight loss is something that is becoming a big deal, okay? Because let's face it, we like to eat. And nowadays, it's really, really easy. Like with a snap of our fingers, we can get whichever fast food we want at our doorstep. We can just go to a drive-through. There's like so many things for us to eat that are not healthy and that are really easy to help our bodies put on weight, right? So, I mean, that's like one of the biggest reasons why there's so many people today who are overweight, who are not healthy, and on top of all of that, are not happy with their bodies. I mean, I get the feeling that most women, especially women, when they walk into a shopping mall and they know they are overweight, they don't like that sensation when they don't find something they cannot wear, right? Or you really like this piece of clothing, but it doesn't have your size because it was created for a smaller fit. So all of these things go inside someone's head and it totally messes about with their self-esteem. It messes their confidence. And that's why you're here today, because you are finally ready to take a step towards change. You are finally ready to become healthier, and it's really, really good to see you guys here today. So that's why I'm here to help you, because I want to talk to you about a method that has been helping so many men and women to achieve weight loss. A method that is natural, that was created using only natural ingredients, and it is called Mitolyn, okay? Mitolyn, it's going to help you by targeting your mitochondria function. And believe me, for right now, I bet there's like so many people that don't even know what their mitochondria function is. And it's just this tiny little things in our cells that is actually responsible for weight loss. So sometimes you think it's your metabolism that's not functioning. Sometimes you think it's you that, you're not working out hard enough, or you're not eating the right foods. That's why your body is not putting off weight. But it's actually your mitochondria that is not helping you out. So that's why today I'm here to present to you Mitolyn, because this is a dietary supplement that will help you to target your mitochondria function, guys. And this little thing, this little enzyme called mitochondria is way deep in your cells. So it's actually an enzyme that decides when it's time for your bodies to shed off, unwanted calories, and when it's time to provide you with energy. So if your mitochondria levels are, all over the place, they're not high enough, they're really low, that means that it's not working and your body is just storing up fats rather than be melting them off. So this tiny enzyme is like really powerful. It holds the power to help you lose weight, or it holds the power to help you put on weight. And that's where Mitolyn comes in, all right? Mitolyn was created to help you skyrocket your mitochondria function. And on top of that, Mitolyn is fully natural. I know that right now you may be already surfing the internet, searching for Mitolyn's webpage or searching to purchase Mitolyn. That's why I just want to tell you really quickly, you can scroll down a little bit and the link you find below this video in the description box is Mitolyn's official webpage, okay? That's where you go to get the original Mitolyn. That's where you go to understand more about it, check out the ingredients, the full story, everything. That is their official webpage right here, okay? Now, Mitolyn, it was created with a base of only natural ingredients. So here they decided to create something thinking about your health. They are fully aware that you are overweight right now and that you actually need to be healthy in order for your bodies to lose weight healthily. So Mitolyn holds 6 super ingredients that go from maqui berry, rhodiola rosea, astaxanthin, amla, chisandra, and theobroma cacao. All these ingredients are natural and they all help you to boost your mitochondria function, okay? Now, of course, they bring other great things to the table. So with Mitolyn, it's not just about weight loss. I mean, that's its number one priority, but it goes way beyond that. It's also about providing you with a healthy body so that by the end of your treatment, you are slimmer and you are fully healthier as well. Did you know that theobroma cacao is actually an ingredient that is also aphrodisiac, and it can help you bring back like your whole stamina and libido? Whilst Chisandra, on the other hand, it helps you to recover your liver. Making sure that your liver is healthy means that you are also taking care of your skin and your hair. Maki berry is a superfruit that has over 300 antioxidants, and it's also really, really good for your cholesterol levels and your heart. You see, all the ingredients that were put into creating Mitolyn, we're thinking about your heart, your cholesterol, your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your gut, your cognitive abilities. So that's what I'm talking about, that it goes way beyond, what you were expecting. Sure, it helps you with fast weight loss because it helps you to fix up your mitochondria. But the beauty of Mitolyn is that it is 100% natural. The minute you start taking this supplement, you're going to feel great. You're going to have a lot more vitality. You're going to realize that your mood is going to be a lot balanced too, meaning that you're less stressed out, you're less anxious, you're less grumpy, and you're just so much more positive, so much more, happy-minded and relaxed. And also, guys, Mitolyn doesn't contain GMOs, okay? So, by not having GMOs, by not having chemicals, it means that there is no side effects and no contraindications, making this a supplement safe for anyone to use. But of course, by the end of the day, you got to remember, the only important thing to this supplement, the only thing that is going to make it work and actually give you results is yourselves. You got to be committed. You got to use it every day. I think it's a capsule or 2 a day. You got to remember that you cannot forget about taking it, because if you start forgetting about, taking your Mitolyn every day, your results are going to take forever to come, or they might not even come. So that's why you got to take Mitolyn every day. And there's 2 treatments you can be doing. You can use Mitolyn for 3 months if you just want, to lose a few pounds. But if you're really struggling with weight loss and you're really overweight, I recommend you use it for 6 months, which is the full treatment, because A, it gives your bodies enough time to adapt to it. B, you're really using up all of the benefits it has to provide you with. And C, you're going to be having the most effective weight loss ever, and you're going to become a lot healthier too. So that's why it's always recommended to use it for 6 months, okay, guys? And for those of you who are scared about purchasing Mitolyn because maybe you've never used a supplement before, I get you. That's why I'm here to help you. All right. But if you don't like it, you purchased Mitolyn and you're not getting the results you're seeking, did you know there's a 90-day money-back guarantee, meaning you have 90 days to request a refund and they will gladly help you to get your money back. Okay. So don't worry about purchasing it and losing your money, because that's not going to happen. Okay. So if you want to get started with your weight loss journey, I think Mitolyn is one of the best supplements out there for its naturalness, for its effectiveness, for how fast it works too, and for it being FDA approved in a GMP certified facility, okay? You get quality, you get a guarantee, and you know that this is a supplement that really delivers what it promises. So pop over to Mitolyn's official webpage right now, where you can get your hands on some really great prices, where you can also check out other customer feedbacks right there. And this is where your weight loss journey begins. And I'm pretty sure that in the future, when you look back, you're going to be really proud that you gave Mitolyn a shot, because you're going to be slimmer, happier, and a lot healthier, okay? The link is here waiting for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.